All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another portfolio cash flow session. All right, with I'm possible Terence. All right, now so let's get everything let's get everything on the way. All right, and let's get to sorry about that. All right, let's get to loading some cash flows for our portfolio, right, and hit our August goals. All right, now, so before I start my session, all I have to say this week, all right, is what a difference a week makes. All right, now, so I've been warning and warning and warning and warning all of you, all right, if you have been invested in stocks, you've benefited from it, all right, it's about scaling out, it's about planning your exits. Yeah, okay, if you haven't, all right, you still have a window of opportunity. All right. Okay. Why? Because I do believe there are cracks in this market right now. All right. And while I don't expect the market to turn like almost immediately, yeah, okay, but these signs of the cracks, yeah, okay, it's really telling you, all right, that we may now, all right, actually see, all right, a market top. Yeah, okay, now, so, you if you remember what happened last November, all right, where we have a steep correction over here, all right, okay, you now have a window of opportunity to get out of your trades that has profits, yeah, that has done really well, all right, before the market hits you. Yeah, okay, now, so with that over here, all right, let's get my hello and let's get the session started. Hi, Susan. Hi, Mansing. All right, and hi, Patrick. All right, now, so once again, thank you very much for joining me. All right, if you're joining us for the first time over here, please see the banner on the screen right now. All right, I need you to go to this website. It's called streamyard.com/Facebook. All right, and over there, you'll see a Facebook logo. All right, okay, click on it. All right, there should be a pop up. All right, and it'll ask you to approve your profile. All right, so please do that. All right, so that when you leave your comments, I'll be able to see who's leaving comments during my live session. Okay. And please remember, as a guiding rule over here, right, only when I know who I'm speaking to, right, if you are willing, if you are going to ask me questions during the Facebook live sessions, yeah, okay, I will need to know who you are, all right, before I'll give you a reply. Yeah. Okay. So just to be fair over here, so I say thanks in advance. All right. And hi, Elise. Hi, Hoy over here. Thank you for joining me once again. Now, so before I forget, please let me remove the banner. All right, and the next one up over here is the disclaimer. All right, so during these sessions, I'll be sharing with you my thoughts, all right, and how I feel about my positions in my portfolio. Yeah, okay, but please be aware that by no means are these any form of recommendations at all. Right, these are just based on whatever I do and what I'm thinking of the markets right now. All right, so please take everything from an educational purpose. All right, and you must do your own due diligence, all right, before deciding and following any of these trades inside your own accounts. All right, now, so with that out of the way, let's get to the markets, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now, so all right, true to our normal setup over here, all right, I will always start my session by looking at the S&P 500. All right, let me get the charts ready over here. Oh, yes, I did remember. All right, now, so let me also load up my trading platform before we get any of the trades ready. All right, I do apologize for that. Okay, so while the accounts are setting up and launching up over here, all right, let me get to the SPY over here and you see what I'm saying. All right, what a difference a week makes. All right, so last Thursday over here, as I said in my session last week, right, there are the first sign of cracking in this market. All right, why? Because that sell-off over here was coincided, all right, with increased market volatility. Yeah, okay, so I did say that you have to be very careful because that's usually a sign of market tops, right? That's usually a sign of when markets are ready to turn. Yeah, okay, and a week later, right now, right, we have the follow through. Right, so we had 1, 2, 3 inside days, all right, and then we had another sell-off, all right, where it cracks lower. Yeah, okay, now, so what we may have over here is a challenge back to this high over here, which is 4,520. Okay, that will be the resistance right now. All right, if we fail that, all right, we may continue to fall, right, to the next support level of 4,450. All right, so that's what the market is going to play out. That's what the market is going to do right now. Okay, the only flip side of things is that the daily RSI is still above 50. Now, if it stays above 50, all right, what it means is that this market is still in the bullish zone. All right, and it also aids the algorithms, right, to continue on their buy on dips. Yeah, okay. Now, so as we know right now, right, in this market, right, there's very few human fund managers that are making any moves at all. Right, all that's having right now are the algorithms, all right, that are firing orders in the market, all right, and your market making systems over here that's keeping and propping the market up. All right, now, so with that said and done, all right, okay, nothing else I really have to update except for the risk in this market, all right, and also if you're not aware of what's going on, all right, okay, now you should pay attention to this thing over here called the TYX or TNX, actually. Right now, so the TNX over here is the 10-year Treasury Index, all right. And if you are not aware of here, all right, what happened is that the 10-year interest, right, has broken the 4.1% level. Yeah, okay. Now that is very very dangerous, all right, because the last time it actually did so, right, was way back in February. Yeah, okay, and way back in February, all right, we actually have our markets, all right, okay. If you've forgotten over here, let's see where our markets was in February. All right, can you see where we are? All right, we were at 3,800 levels. All right, so right now we actually have interest rates, all right, at the same level as when we were in Feb and March. But where's the market right now? You see the difference, everybody? Yeah, okay, so if you're still not aware of the risk involved, right, because interest rates are creeping up, interest rates are breaking, having a breakout. Yeah, okay, but the markets are not cracking, the markets are not falling. Right, so if you don't get yourself out of this market right now, yeah, okay, time may really be too late. Why? All right, because computer systems are trading the market itself, but computer systems are not the one trading bonds. Right, bonds are traded by real fund managers over here. Yeah, okay, who have bonds and interest rates inside their portfolio. Yeah, okay, so they're very very careful about the sensitivity. Yeah, okay, now so when the market does catch up, yeah, okay, it may actually get ugly before you can get out. Okay, now so this is just another sign I want to warn you over here. Yeah, okay, of the underlying currents in this market. Yeah, okay, now but having said that, yeah, because of how we structure our portfolio, yeah, okay, our portfolio has actually done pretty strong and pretty well, right, amidst this sell-off. Now, so if you have your doubts over here, all right, we can quickly start to go through our portfolio, all right, and we'll have a look at it together. Okay, now. Sorry about that. All right, now, so our first position over here is WBA. All right, now, so let's go to that over here. All right, so our WBA position, right, if you look at the charts over here, have actually bounced up. Yeah, okay, that is after its earnings over here, right? And we have a resistance at about $32. All right, so now I'm actually willing to see if I can generate any kind of cash flow, right, for $32 call. All right, now, but it's only paying me 11 cents. All right, so it's not actually very worthwhile. All right, so for now, all right, I'm actually going to just keep holding on to the stock. All right, and on the 18th of August, I'm going to collect another 48-cent dividend. So I'm very happy with that. So for now, I'm just going to hold this position. All right, our next assigned stock is on Intel. All right, now we did sell a $39 strike call on Intel over here, which expires next week. Yeah, okay, yes, I got it right. Yeah, yes. All right, which expires next Friday. All right, and if I'm not wrong right now, yeah, okay, we are on course for that. Yeah, okay, because Intel has fallen, it's finally cracked over here. Well, I don't like it. Yeah, okay, but all's good. Yeah, all right, all's good. All right, okay, that's why I went ahead to generate cash flow. Now, so we'll sit on this position for now. All right, and our next stock position is on Verizon. So Verizon has not moved much. It has not done much, right? So likewise, I'm not going to be taking any actions on my assigned stock position. Right now, next one over here is Tyson Foods. Yeah, okay, now Tyson Foods, let's see what it has done over the last 1 week. All right, so amidst the market sell-off, can you see Tyson Foods, everybody? It is staying strong. All right, now, so should we sell another call option today? The answer is no. Right, and the answer is no because, right, that we do have earnings, right, on Monday. Yeah, okay, now, so it is pointless for me to, cut short my potential gains, right, if earnings was actually favorable, yeah, okay, by selling a call option now. Yeah, okay, so what we do is we'll see what happens to the stock on Monday. Yeah, okay, and then we'll come back on Friday. Okay, if it goes up further, all right, I may take advantage of the up move, right, to sell some call options. Yeah, okay, now, so for now, nothing on TSN. Yeah, okay, we do have a $60 strike call, all right, which expires on the 80th of August. Right, $60 strike is above this. All right, so I think it's still fine. Yeah, okay, I've forgotten that I sold one call. Sorry about that. Yeah, okay, now so we stick to this position. Yeah, okay, I'm fine with that. All right, we're still quite a distance away. All right, now so let's get to our next position, HBI. Now, so our assigned stock position on HBI is at $9. Yeah, okay, and HBI has since staged a nice little rebound. So let's really hope for a good strong earnings report this time, right? And we may have it hitting the resistance, right, and try to generate some cash flow by selling call options. Okay. Now our next one over here is Pfizer. All right, Pfizer hasn't done much, so I'm just gonna keep holding on to the stock position. Yeah, okay. Now, so Pfizer is also perhaps paying dividends soon. All right, it's already just paid. All right, so I've just collected like a 41-cent dividend. All right, at the end of July. All right, on holding my Pfizer stock. All right, if you do realize, all right, that's $40 per 100 shares. All right, and I have 300 shares over here. That means I generated $120 in cash flow. Yeah, okay, from owning the stock, which is not too bad. All right, we don't calculate it here. All right, but I just want to highlight to you. Yeah. Now, next one over here is Macy's. Yeah, okay, now so Macy's over here, we are assigned at $20. All right, for now, I'm still holding on to this position because I still feel that this stock, all right, is actually severely undervalued. Yeah, okay, so for now, I'm going to hold on to this stock position, all right, and let it continue to sit in my portfolio. Now, we did manage to get out of our 3M last week, all right, we sold the shares for 111, all right, and you can see why, all right, I would definitely wanted to get out. All right, remember some of you asked, hey, Terence, why don't you sell a call option? A call option will not cover me on this dip, all right, all the way back down to 107. So if I didn't sell my stocks, I'll be back down by about $2.50 by today. Yeah, okay, so you can see where we're going over here. Yeah, okay, in fact, if I still like it today, yeah, I can actually return by selling 105 call, or sorry, 105 puts, or maybe even 100 puts to generate cash flow. Yeah, okay, but I'm staying out because 3M has done, an absolute up move. Yeah, okay, which makes it not favorable to get in right now. Okay, now so our next trade is AT&T. We are assigned at $18. So AT&T has not moved much. It's not done anything as well at all. All right, so we're staying put. All right, now our next position is on VFC. All right, we are assigned at 22.50. All right, so VFC have crept up nicely today. All right, it's an upburst over here. All right, so can we get anything for a 22.50 call? Nah, nothing much. All right, we can try to get about 10 cents. Let's see if we can get 10 cents. All right, I'll give it a shot. Right now, so yet again, why would I be willing to sell and pocket like $10, right? Because I'm not going to end up losing any money on the stock, right? So any cash flow is considered a good cash flow. Yeah, okay. Now, so I'm going to do that while I'm sitting and waiting, all right, for the stock. Now, and I have 200 shares of that, all right, so I can sell 2 call options. All right, now so it's still in order, all right, which means I'm not filled yet. All right, so if you can see, no, it's not in yet. Yeah, there you go. All right, my 10 cents order is over here. All right, it's not getting filled. All right, so I'll update all of you once again. All right, when before we end the session. All right, let's go to our remaining portfolio put trades. All right, so we have Verizon puts over here at 18 August, $33. All right, so Verizon puts. Right, so since the stock has gone down today, we can't do much, right? And our AT&T shouldn't give us too much of a shout as well, right? But our last portfolio puts that we got in last week, right? Okay, should be able to take good profits today, right? Which is Gillette, right? We saw the 72.50 puts that expires in August, right? So let's see where the stock sits right now. All right, the stock is up by $3, ladies and gentlemen. All right, probably because of good earnings. There we go. Yeah, all right. Earnings is out. It's better than expected. All right. Okay. Sorry. It's actually not better than expected, but they're probably guiding higher for the next quarter. All right. So that's a positive on the stock. That's why we're seeing it up. All right. And let's see what our put options are worth. Oh, 10 cents. I'm closing it. All right. Because there's only 10 cents left. All right. Why would I want to take any risk of the stock turning around on me? All right. So I'm going to close this position. All right. We have 3 of those. right, I'm out. All right, that's our first close for today. All right, I've closed 3 of them. I bought back 3 of them over here for 9 cents. 9 cents, ladies and gentlemen. That's a good trade. Now, yet again, I say it's a good trade because we pocketed $99 in cash flow in a week. All right, because this was just done last week. All right, and right now we're closing it. All right, so why wouldn't I be happy, right? Okay, because besides closing it, I'm also freeing up my margins. All right, and the main thing right now is, do I have cash flow trades lined up? Because we are sitting at 1,002, right? And remember I said this before, if the market comes down, right, be prepared for me to load up some stocks, right? And today I am. All right, okay. In fact, I'm not doing anything surprising. I'm just going back to a stock, all right, that we have traded before. All right, so I'm coming back to ammo over here, all right, and let me show you one of the reasons why I'm happy to trade ammo. All right, so if I show you a 3-year weekly, can you see that ammo, right, has been trading since April? Yeah, okay, since May. Yeah, okay, since May until today. Yeah, okay, it's been trading. Oh man, this is last May. This is not this May. This is like last June. Yeah, okay, so for about a year, this stock has been trading in a range of 43, right, all the way up to 48. Yeah, okay, so 43, all right, is going to provide a very, very strong support for this stock. Yeah, okay, now, so 43 puts is only going to pay me 10 cents for this month, all right, but remember what I can do, right? I can always sell for 2 months, right? So we can go, right, and take a 42.50 puts, right, and try to get 42 cents for that. Yeah, okay, we'll split the cash flow over the 2 months itself. Oh, what the heck. In fact, all right, okay, I'm going to sell the 45, okay? And one of the reasons why I'm going to sell the 45 is because that we are not too far below. We are about 70 cents below, all right, okay, but it pays me 160, all right? So in terms of cash flow, all right, and the limited downside I'm seeing on the stock, all right, okay, it's going to pay me much, much more. Yeah, okay, so I like that one better, all right? So I'm going to sell the 45 puts over here. All right, I'm going to sell 3 of them. Yeah, okay, on my accounts. I'm going to try to get it done for 163. Voila, done. All right, now, so I just sold, right, the ammo September $45 puts. I sold 3 of them for 163. All right, so that's done. All right, now, so that also shows you that because I'm selling the 45 strike, all right, I'm actually looking for this stock, all right, to trade back upwards. Yeah, okay, to trade back upwards. Yeah, okay, and go back above 45, all right, by September expiry. Yeah, okay, so that's my aim for this stock over here. All right, but because I'm selling September, yeah, okay, I also have to start putting in the September expiry over here. Okay, there we go. Now, so that will also change this. $97. Yep, that makes it correct. Wow, trade 99. We're almost close to the century mark, right? Yeah, we're almost close to the century mark. That's good. Yeah, okay. I hope the trade 100 will be a good one. All right, so 19th of September, right? 45 strikes. Okay, we're doing it today on the 4th of August, all right? And I'm pocketing 163. Okay, let's remember to divide this cash flow by 2. All right, so that's 244 over here. All right, and is our cash flow correct? No. All right, we're 1,005. We're sitting at 1,005, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, okay, and also for the next month, all right, we have officially kickstarted. All right, so for the next month, all right, we are now sitting on 244.50. There we go. All right, really awesome. Now, so we only need one margin. I should do this one. Life easier. There we go. All right, let's continue. All right, now, so I still have another trade I'm looking to add. All right, and the next stock I'm looking at today, all right, it's actually CCI. All right, now, so why again CCI? All right, it's a company called Crown Castle. All right, and just by looking at the chart, all right, can all of you leave a comment and tell me, All right, okay, over the last 3 years, right? How would you rate the quarterly earnings capability of this company you're seeing on the screen right now? Yeah, okay, how will you rate it, everybody? Okay, now Facebook user, all right, welcome to my session. All right, now, so you give me the license, right, to actually just show the banner once again. All right, can you go to this website called streamyard.com/Facebook and then click on the Facebook banner? All right, it'll bring you to a pop-up. All right, click on approve your profile. Yeah, okay, and then I'll be able to know who you are, all right, when you leave your next comment. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Okay, all right. Yes. All right. Now, so as I'm saying over here, nobody has left a comment yet. All right. How will you rate the earnings capability of this company, right, that you see on the screen right now, everybody? Yeah. All right. I love it. When a great money making stock, yeah, okay, is not shown any love by this market. All right. What it shows you right now on the chart. All right. Would all of you agree that the market absolutely hates it? Yeah. Okay. Would you agree with my statement over here that the market absolutely hates this stock? But at the same time, all right, Susan, you got it right. This stock, right, has not failed to deliver a profit, right? So what the market is doing right now, it's wrongly punishing, right, companies that are doing well, companies that are making money, all right? Okay, so do you think this is going to last for very, very long? Not probably, all right? And let me show you another fact over here. Yeah, okay, if you take this punishment, all right, okay, and if I extend it all the way to a 10-year chart, all right, can you see what's happening right now? Yeah, okay, this stock, right, has fallen from grace, right? It's fallen by, you know what, almost 50%, right? And with the earnings, right, they're staying strong, right? There's no reason for this to happen, right? Because we have stocks that are not making money, right? And their stock prices are doubling, right? And yet we have stocks that are consistently making money and their stocks are being punished 50%. Yeah, okay, it really doesn't make sense at all. Yeah, okay, and on top of that, right, it's paying 150 in dividends. Right? If you don't realize this is a quarterly dividend, that means you're going to pocket $6 in dividend. Yeah, okay, which represents 6%, right, in a year. Yeah, okay, how many great stocks, right, where it makes money like that without cash flow problems, right? Okay, can you find in this market that pays you $6 of dividends? Not many. All right, and how many of them can you find, right, that is trading at an absolute rock bottom price, right, in this current market right now? Not many. Right, so when I see this, do you think I'm going to grab it? Of course I am. Yeah, okay, of course I'm going to go grab it. All right, now, so I'm going to sell over here, all right, for September expiry again. All right, I'm going to take the 105 strike. Okay, I'm going to take the 105 strike because I'm fully comfortable with it, right? It pays me very, very well. Yeah, okay, now, so I'm going to go for it, all right? And with this, right, I only need two options. Okay, I only need two options over here. Yeah, okay, because it's going to generate such fat cash flow for me, all right? Two options is sufficient enough. All right, I got it done, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I sold two of my CCI 105 puts for September. All right, so two of them for 381. All right, okay, so I got my orders done at 381. All right, so let's go record this down. All right, and it is trade 100, ladies and gentlemen. All right, trade 100. Oh, app, $100 stock for trade 100. All right, 105. All right, 381. Okay, can you see that? All right, okay, is that correct? Wow, it is correct. No, two. There we go. All right, $381 in cash flow. All right, why am I complaining? I'm not at all. All right, there we go. All right, and we're at 1,008, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm now at 1,008. Okay, all right, really, really awesome. All right, so I'm 1,008 right now, and I'm already $600 for next month. All right, so do I have another stock, all right, that I can add? All right, why? Because I'm only about $200 shy, right? Yeah, okay, now, so let's go to back to our list over here. All right, and yes, I do believe that I have. right, there we go. All right, I'm happy with this stock as well. Let's see if I can get 130. Nah, this stock is a little bit expensive. Let's go for a defensive stock like our RTX. All right, so as you can see, we have an earnings dip over here. All right, but yet again, we have another company that consistently makes money. All right, so even in this quarter, all right, you can see that the actual earnings is better than expectations. Yeah, okay, but they probably warn, all right, of a not so stellar next quarter. All right, and that stock was punished, all right, by $10. All right, it's 10% drop. All right, okay, so I'm going to take advantage of it. Yeah, okay, and the low over here is about $80. All right, let's see what we can get. Okay, so we're going to give it some time. So we give it 2 months. All right, and for this, all right, we are going to pocket about 74 cents. All right, so 210, $100. Yeah, let's go for it. All right, so I'm gonna sell 4 of these. $74. There we go, we're done. Okay, now so I sold 4 of these Rayton. All right, okay, $80 puts. I sold 4 of them for 74 cents. Okay, we're done. Trade 101. 4 of these RTX. 80. 0.74. It's $148 in cash flow. No margins, no margins. Yeah, there we go. All right, so what's my exposure right now? Okay, now so I'm 1978. Yeah, okay, so I'm happy with this. All right, so even if I'm shy of what, $12, right, by the end of the month, I've got 2 more weeks to go. I can probably sell some calls and get myself to $12. Yeah, okay, but if I can't, then so be it. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with my results, and I'm now $770 for next month. All right, so that sets me up nicely. All right, and I'm exposed for about 121%. Yeah, okay, I can still load. Yeah, okay, I can still take on more. All right, but with the markets the way it is right now, I'm gonna be a little bit patient. Yeah, okay, maybe if we get a more severe sell-off next week, I can take another position. Yeah, okay, but for now, I'm happy with what I have. Yeah, right now, so markets continue to be tough. All right, but yet again, we are gonna hit. All right, our August goals. All right, and that's gonna be what? All right, we started in May. All right, so our April will be 12 months. So May, June, July, August. All right, so that will be 16 months. Wow, 16 months, right? And we have not failed yet. Yeah, okay, ladies and gentlemen, 16 months, right? We're still hitting our cash flow targets, all right, of $2,000 a month. All right, so if you ask me, am I happy with that? I'm happy, right? I can't complain. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so 59, all right, thank you very much. All right, I got the expiry date wrong. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now, so I'm done with my portfolio actions for today. So if any of you have questions for me, I'll open up some time. Yeah, okay, for all of you to throw out a question. Yeah, okay, while I'm sitting here with all of you. Oh, what the heck? Let's go for our goals anyway. All right, why? Because I'm very happy with the stocks that I'm covering today. Yeah, okay, so here's what I'm going to do, okay? Hang on. I'm going to get us above the cash flow. All right, voila. I'm done, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, okay, so we have definitely crossed our cash flow goals. All right, so if you're going to ask me why over here, very simple reason. I just sold one more. Right, I just sold one more of the CCI portfolio puts for 380. Yeah, okay, so I added one more over here. right? And that's gonna get me across the line. Yep. All right, now, so because the price is different, so I'm gonna just split it. All right, so that's 2, that's 1, right, and this 380. We're at 2,168. Okay, we're all good. All right. Okay, and why am I willing to do this? Also, I've shown you earlier. All right, I'm still underexposed. All right, I'm underexposed. Let's see if I get it right. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm correct. Yep. 121. Oh, no. No. I'm not correct. There we go. 127%. All right, that's still fine. All right, because my maximum cap is 140. 140%. All right, okay, so I'm happy with that. Facebook user. All right, okay, now, so before I answer your question, all right, let me just quickly shoot out the banner. All right, and if you could do that, all right, and come back and post your question again, I'll be happy to answer it. All right, now, so can you go to this website, streamyard.com/Facebook, all right, and then click on the Facebook banner, approve your profile, all right, and then after that, all right, you can come back and post your questions again. Yeah, okay, so when I can see who I'm addressing, I'll be more than happy to share with you my reply. And the reply is already ready. Yeah, okay. Andy, it's you. Why does your profile always get bounced off? All right, so Andy, can you please go through the trouble and get me done again? Yeah, okay, now, so for many of you, right, I've said this over and over and over again. Yeah, okay, that, sometimes, right, because of the providers that this platform engages, yeah, okay, you must understand that, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so $250, $5. Yeah, okay, now, so because of these platforms over here, yeah, okay, and the providers that they engage, yeah, divided by $5. So what happens over here, right, is that there are errors. Okay, so if you add on all these 4 quarters over here, right, the company makes about $5 a year. All right, okay, so if you take $84.85 divided by 5, it is not 22, right? It is 16 PE. Right, so 16 PE is not expensive, right? But it's also not cheap. So why am I willing to take this trade? Because this is a defensive stock. Yeah, okay, now this is a defensive stock, right? And sitting at, right, its 1-year low. Can you see the range is trading? Right, so it's been trading in this range since April 2021. Can you see that? Right, that's what we mean by a defensive stock. Right, and right now the stock is hitting the 200-week moving average. 200-week moving average. Yeah, okay, now, so that's a strong move over here. Yeah, okay, it's hitting the support, all right, so I like it. Yeah, okay, I like it. And plus the fact that it's a defensive sector, defensive stock. Yeah, okay, now, so many of you might not be familiar with this company. So let's go. All right, so can you see over here, Raytheon? Yeah, okay, it's aerospace and defense. Okay, aerospace and defense. So what they do is intelligence, missiles, and defense. Yeah, okay, you get what I mean, right? Okay, all right, now, so, governments keep spending, government keeps weaponizing themselves, all right, so this is a consistent business. That's why you see the profits are very consistent, yeah, okay, and at a fair valuation, all right, with markets coming down, money going into safety sectors, I like it, yeah, with a stock at 200-day moving average, I really have nothing to complain, all right, and now, dividends not anything to shout about, but it's consistent, I like it. Yeah. All right. So I'm willing to take the chance. I'm willing to take the risk, and it helps me achieve my cash flow. All right. And I'm $1,000 for next month, ladies and gentlemen. All right. We're in good position right now. All right. So it seems like only Andy has a question for me. All right. Is there nobody else? All righty. All right. So if there are no further questions over here, I thank you very much for joining me once again. All right. This is I'm Possible Terence. We have now hit, all right, okay, and I'm on course to hit our 16-month all right, target over here, all right, of consistent cash flow. All right, okay, so what I'm saying is with our live trades that we're doing almost every Friday over here on a week-to-week basis, yeah, okay, I've constantly show you live trades that I've taken on this portfolio, all right, which is funded initially at $100,000. Yeah, okay, and we're hitting a $2,000 cash flow, all right, which is our goal, all right, on a consistent basis for 16 months in a row right now. Yeah, okay, now, so if you still think, right, that, markets are too difficult for you to generate any meaningful kind of returns, right, okay, $2,000 on a $100,000 account, right, it's actually 2%. That's 24% per annum. Yeah, okay, are we doing anything risky? All right, if you keep coming back and joining me weekly, right, you know exactly what I'm doing over here. Right, and we have many students. I'm not sure if EL is here. Right, so EL, you have always thrown me this question. right? Terence, as you get more assigned on more and more stocks over here, right? There's less liquid capital. Can you still hit your goals? I'm showing you. Yeah, okay, I'm showing you why I'm never worried. Yeah, okay, let the market do its job, all right, and we do our jobs, all right? We control what we can. Okay, for all the others that I cannot control, I just play along. Yeah. Okay, now, so thank you very much for joining me once again, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, okay, I'm going to take my rest. I'm going to take my break. All right. Meanwhile, have a great weekend ahead, and I'll see all of you, all right, on Facebook live session next Friday once again. All right. So this is Terence Tan, or I'm Possible Terence, signing off together with all of you. I thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you really, really soon again. Okay. Bye bye for now. Good night.